Here he is, Michael Savage.
So we have a demonic demagogue in the White House whose model for leadership would no doubt be Mao Zedong. And you're saying, don't be crazy. That can't happen here. Welcome to the Savage Nation. I'm going to take you on a long ride today. Mao Zedong allegedly took his people on a long march, which was a complete lie, according to historians, a fabrication of his equivalents of the White House press corps. There was no long march. It was a fake. Mao Zedong was a monster who used his, let us say, salesmanship to take over China, and through scheming, blackmailing, and poisoning to get his way. And his secret goal was to dominate the world. In chasing the dream of conquering the world, Mao Zedong caused the deaths of 38 million people in the greatest famine in history. And according to real historians, well over 70 million Chinese perished under Mao's rule in peacetime. So you say, well, what the heck does that have to do with that nice man in the White House? Why, he just wants racial justice. He needs a deserved vacation in Hawaii with his nice wife, Michelle, and his two lovely daughters. That's $70 million is money well spent on all of his vacations. Think of how hard he just worked to get through that budget over the objections of, let us say, nobody. And Nancy Pelosi has all the funding she could possibly need. They're swimming in money in San Francisco right now. They don't know what to do with it. There's not enough estates from here to Costa Rica for the folks around the Boxers, the Pelosis, and the Feinsteins to buy. There's not enough land. There's nothing. Not enough of anything. There's so much been purchased with the largesse of this wonderful leader in the White House. So we're waiting impatiently now to see what they'll buy up next. But I don't want to get distracted from what's going on.